Hello students, the topic that we are taking today is the sentence and its kinds. So let's get started. What exactly is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. The important characteristics of a sentence are: it expresses a complete thought or idea. Secondly, it must have a subject and a verb. For example, I caught the first flight. She behaves very nicely. If we write it like this: caught, flight, first, the I. This is only a group of words. But is it conveying any meaning? No. So it's not a sentence. Now rearranging the same words, we can get a meaningful sentence. I caught the first flight. Similarly, if we write the second example like this: very, she nicely behaves. Similarly, it is not conveying any meaningful sense. So, if we rearrange the same words, we can get a meaningful sentence. And that is, she behaves very nicely. Moving further, basically sentences are divided into 5 categories. And these 5 categories are: the first one is assertive sentences. The second one is interrogative sentences. The third is imperative sentences. Next is optative sentences. And the fifth is exclamatory sentences. Now, the very first that we have is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are further divided into 2 categories. And these categories are affirmative and negative. Now we will take them one by one with few examples. So the very first is assertive sentences. Now assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences. Why they are called so? Because they give a statement. They make a statement. Whatever we say in simple words, whether sometimes we say something in negative, then it would be a negative assertive sentence. Or if we are saying something in a positive manner, it would be called an affirmative assertive sentence. Now, for making things more clear to you, let me give you few examples. The first example I want to use is: the boy is innocent. The boy is innocent. Here, this sentence is asserting a fact. It is making a statement. So, assertive sentences make statements or declare a fact. So, this sentence is called an affirmative assertive sentence. Similarly, if we give one more example from my side, see the example: he completed his work. Here again, there is a fact. Here is a fact, so it would be a assertive sentence. Now let's take the same sentence in negative. The boy is not innocent. The boy is not innocent. Now here, if you see, the sentence is, although stating something, it is making a statement. But here, it is making a statement in negative. So, because of is not innocent, is not, it is a negative assertive sentence. Now, let's move to the second example. Earlier I give you he completed his homework or he completed his work, which was affirmative assertive sentence. But he did not complete his work because of did not. Here it is making a statement in negative. So because of did not, this is called negative assertive sentence. Now let's move on to the second kind, and that is interrogative sentences. The word interrogative comes from the word interrogate. Interrogative sentences are basically sentences that ask question, that inquire something, and they are followed by a question mark in the end. Let's take few examples. I am taking the last one. Why are you so sad today? As you can see, there is a question mark in the end and the sentence begins with a capital letter. Why are you so sad today? I am asking a question. This is why the sentence is called an interrogative sentence. Another example I give you from my side, and the example is, have you completed your work? Have you completed your work? So now here again a question is being asked. So this would also be called an interrogative sentence. Remember one thing, an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. So students, that is enough for today. Rest of the kinds will be explained in the next video, and the remaining kinds are imperative, optative and exclamatory. They will be explained in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.